Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to hide a group chat on the Messenger app for PC, especially after the latest update. If you're looking for a way to tidy up your chats and keep things private, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open the Messenger app on your PC. If you haven't logged in yet, go ahead and enter your credentials. Once you're in, you'll see your list of conversations right on your screen. Next, scroll through your chat list to find the group you want to archive. This is a simple step, but make sure you're selecting the correct group to avoid any mix-ups. Once you've found the group chat, hover your mouse over it. You'll notice 3 little dots appear on the right side. Now click on those 3 dots. A menu will pop up with several options. Look for the option that says Archive Chat. This is what you want to select. Clicking this will instantly hide the group chat from your main conversation list. And that's it. The group chat is now archived. You can still access it later if you want to revisit the conversation or check for any important messages.